In this chapter, we are going to learn how to edit or delete Facebook and Instagram posts. Even though you put your best efforts to ensure nothing goes without checking on your social media platforms, but still, there would be occasions when you will find, okay, instead of this, I should have written it something in different way, or might be you wanted to tag someone and you forgot, or there is some kind of factual error which you need to rectify. So in that scenario, you need to edit this post. So let's see how we can do it on Facebook. So right now we are on Strikers Fitness brand page, and let's say on this page where we are offering try us for 1 week free. Instead of 1 week, we actually wanted to say 2 weeks. So how we can do that? We'll come over here, click on this three horizontal dots and click on edit post. Now we'll go into this text area, and instead of one, we will write 2 week free. If at all I wanted to add some kind of new hashtag, I can select that. But now along with that, you realize, okay, let me change this image as well. If you come over here, you will realize this cannot be combined with what you have already added to your post, so you cannot change image. The similar way, in some cases you will not find this CTA button active. If it is active, you can do those changes, but if it is not, then you will not be able to make any changes in CTA button as well. So right now I'm happy with the text correction, so I will click on save. So now on our page also we can see this one has turned into 2. Now there can be some issues due to this. Let's say earlier you published 2 and now you have changed it to 1. Now in that scenario, some customers may say like, okay, when I had seen your post, it was written 2 weeks and now you are saying 1. This kind of claim may arise, and you are sure like, okay, no, we have never done that. In that scenario, what you should look for is the entire trail of editing, and that can be checked right from here, clicking on this three horizontal dots, and you will find this view edit history. If you click on this, you will see when a content was edited will be visible over here. See, this was the time when this content was originally posted, Thursday 2nd June at 2032, and on Friday June 3rd at 18:05 we have made some changes. So this way we can keep a trail of changes. We'll click this close. So this is how we can edit our published post. But sometimes it happens like, okay, due to some reason you actually need to delete the content. In that scenario, how you would do that? Suppose if this product is out of stock, we had published, and now this product is not available, and due to that we want to delete this post. In that case, just click over here and click on delete post and confirm it. So now this post will vanish from your timeline. So it is this simple. You can edit as well as you can delete. Now let's see how similar things can be done on Instagram. So now we are back on Strikers Fitness Center Instagram profile, and we'll locate the post which requires some kind of editing, and we'll click over here. Again, we'll click on three horizontal dots and then select edit. Now what kind of editing over we can do over here is, again, we cannot change this image, but let's say if we wanted to tag someone, then we can click over here and let's tag myself over there. So we can edit the person in tagging. The similar way, if we wanted to say 2 weeks free, that can be done over here. If I wanted to add any hashtag, that is possible. If I want to change this location, I can remove this and add a new location, EMDC ground. If I want to make any changes to advanced setting, like now I don't want people to see the likes and counts, that can also be done over here. If I am happy with my editing, I will click done. And now we can see 2 weeks free is visible over here. This tag is working, and this way we can do changes. Now, as we had seen in Facebook, if something has gone totally wrong and we wanted to delete that, then it's very simple. Over here we can click that content, select on this three horizontal button and select the first option, which is delete, and the content will vanish from your page. So right now I'm not deleting anything over here. So Facebook and Instagram has given really very easy mechanism to edit and delete, but still I would advise be double sure about your content, so you need not to come and change anything. But in worst scenario, if something is required, then you have seen the process and you can implement that. See you in next video.